Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to determine if your notebook, your laptop has 2.5 gigahertz or the 5.2 gigahertz Wi-Fi card installed on your notebook. So the one that I'm using the tutorial, this one is the HP running on Windows 10. So let's go ahead and click on the start menu. You might be on the upper left, right, or lower right hand side, depends on how you set it. So just go ahead and click on the start. And then you want to go and then click on setting. Well, just hover over the setting and then go to control panel. And right here, you want to go to device manager. Just click on once. I'm going to maximize this. And then you want to scroll to network adapter. Okay, so as you can see, there's a whole bunch of device showing right here. You got the Bluetooth device and then Realtek PCIe family controller. And you want to go ahead and look for this Realtek RT802.11 AC. Normally when you have the AC, that means you have a 5.2 gigahertz card, the Wi-Fi card. So you're going to double click it. And then you want to go to click on advanced. So on the advanced under property, you got a highlight right here. So as you can see, the A02.11 channel width for it says 2.4 gigahertz. So you could put it like 20 megahertz only or auto. Try to leave it on auto. And then the second one on the bottom, which is 5.2 gigahertz. So this is the 5 gigahertz band right here. And make sure you put on auto. And A02.11D, make sure you enable it. So depending on what kind of Wi-Fi card you have, sometimes if you highlight over here, it allow you to enable or disable. So you can turn on and off for the 2.4 gigahertz or the 5.2 gigahertz. So the 5.2, it is on AC band, okay? So after that, you want to go ahead and click on OK. So I'm just going to cancel mine because mine support both either 2.4 or 5.2 gigahertz. So anyhow, that's how you change your setting over there in case yours got disabled. Unless your notebook does not come with the 5.2 gigahertz, only 2.4 if you have an older notebook. So this will apply to all the HP out there, Dell, Sony, Asus, and any other brands out there. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.